How to use Uber Eats group order feature. So for in here, first of all, get into your Uber Eats, make sure you're logged into your account, then select the restaurant inside your Uber Eats mobile app. So let's just go with Subway, and in here, now what we're gonna do is tap on the group order icon that you will be able to see around here, that will obviously be located near the top right corner of the restaurant menu. So in here you can see group, tap on that one. Then from here, what are we going to do is now configure the setting spending limits per person, or choosing the pay for everyone or the split bill. So in here you can, like I said, tap on payment option. You can pay for everyone, or everyone pays for themselves, or something like that. You can set all of the settings. Then you can select the deadline, and you can tap on invite people, and after doing that, here you can send the link via your SMS, email, or chat apps. And once your friends add their choices to the shared cart, you can verify the selection and tap to proceed to checkout to place the unified order. And that is all you need to do in order to use your Uber Eats group order feature. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.